Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today you're gonna come take a shower with me. Check it out. All right guys, let's get started. So come take a shower with me. Well, you're not really taking a shower with me. You're just gonna see what's inside my shower. But I thought, I'm gonna put a Victoria's Secrets robe on and I'm just gonna, kind of get in the mood of what I would do after I get out of the shower. Well, I don't really wear jewelry, so let's be honest. I don't know where that came from, but I'm just a hot mess and I like the glamour and I just want it to look glamorous still in my robe, okay? Just go with it. Just go with it. Just accept me for who I am, please. All right, let's talk about what's in my shower. Let's start off with shampoo and conditioner because that's the first thing I do when I get in the shower. So before I get in the shower, I take off my makeup with a makeup wipe with my simple makeup wipes. And then the first thing I do when I get in the shower is I actually wash my hair. I know, shocker. There are a lot of shampoo and conditioners I like, but right now I am on the kick of this Suave. I know you're looking at me like you're a hairdresser's daughter and you're using a $4.99 shampoo and conditioner. I know, sounds crazy, right? And yes, I do have Joico, but they were humongous and I didn't really want to bring them out. And I've talked about them in other videos, hair care videos, that I do use those products. But lately I have been loving these Suave shampoo and conditioner products. This Keratin Infusion smoothing conditioner and smoothing shampoo. Oh my goodness, my hair feels like hair again when I use these two products. For less than $10, I use two products that probably feel better on my hair than my expensive shampoo and conditioner. Believe it or not, I know. And grant you, I don't know. I don't know is it really beneficial to use those expensive products? Again, I'm a daughter of a hairdresser. She believes in the same thing I do though. So that's all I'm gonna say. I don't know. Everyone is different though, to each their own, and it's all preference. But right now I have been loving the way my hair feels with these two products, the shampoo and conditioner. Now, when it comes to deep conditioners, I do like more expensive products. So I like It's a 10. This mask, this Potion 10 Miracle Repair Hair Mask. I have been using this for years. I think this might be a newer one, but I'm not sure. This one is so good. This It's a 10 mask. I also like, and I'm out of it right now, is the Kerastase one. I've talked about it in my other videos. I really like that mask as well, but this is the only one I have left right now. So that is a mask I leave in my shower as well, but I only use that once a week. I do like Olaplex and I have been using it recently, but I've just been using samples and it is a great product. You should only use once a week for people like me with really damaged hair, because the problem is if you use too much of that, it can actually start to make the bond a little more brittle and can actually break even more. So you want to be careful with that. That's why I always believe in switching up your shampoo and conditioner. Don't always use the same one. I like to switch it up. And when I use purple shampoos, I just talked about this in my current favorites video, this Schwarzkopf Blonde Tone Enhancing Purple Shampoo. This is amazing for purple shampoo. There are two other ones that I really like. I like the FRAMESI Color Lover. I talked about this Dynamic Blonde shampoo. This will take your brass to a platinum level within one washing. I'm serious. This cuts the brass within one washing. This is so potent, so powerful. The problem is you don't want to use it on its own because it kind of has it's a different kind of consistency. It's not going to actually cleanse your hair or condition your hair in any way. It's just literally toning that blonde. So if you're not blonde, then ignore this. But I really like this FRAMESI one, and I still like Shimmer Lights. I like the smell of Shimmer Lights. I don't know why. This is one I'll use more on an every other day basis versus this I would only use maybe once or twice a month, just to really cut that brass when I first get it done. And then after that, I don't really use it because I don't want it to get too grayish looking or purplish looking. You have to be careful with that. I do like this Joico Blonde Light shampoo. It's almost out. I use this every once in a while. It kind of brightens me up a little bit. This is a brightening shampoo, but Joico is just a great brand. I do use their other shampoo and conditioner, but I'm telling you guys right now, this Suave is amazing. The whole line and this gold tone color is so good. The Moroccan oil one's really good too. I cannot believe for such an affordable cost the amount of quality you get in that product is really, really good. So as far as shampoo and conditioners, that's pretty much what I've been sticking to recently. I love Pantene Clean. So I love the smell of this product. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Okay, so let's get personal here. I actually like to use this on my hoo-ha. I know.
Say what?
I know, you probably shouldn't be using these products there, down below, down south. But I'm telling you, it cleans it so nicely and I haven't had any problems. So I really, really like cleaning. I don't use like douche or any of those other products. I stick to more like shampoos. I know this is a very personal conversation, but you know, let's get real. It's my YouTube channel. I'm gonna get real here. But that's what I use this for. And I also like a once a week nice cleanse of the scalp. I just feel like this cleans it the best. It makes my scalp smell so good. I love Pantene Clean. I always have that in my shower, always. That is like a must-have staple. I have to have that in my shower. I even travel with that. I put it in a travel container and I travel with that. That is the best shampoo to really clean your scalp, to clean down low, and to really leave yourself feeling refreshed and clean. I just love, and that smell is incredible. I can't tell you guys enough. You know, I'm such a sucker for smells. I love smells. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with smells. So as far as body soaps, I know you're gonna look at me like I'm strange. I think this is actually a guy's body soap. Irish Spring Deep Action Scrub 24-hour. Cleans and exfoliates your skin. I love this stuff. So after a hard workout and I'm all sweaty and nasty, I love using this. This just leaves my skin so soft and so clean and so refreshed. It smells so good. I know, another product smells so good. Shocker. But I really, really love this Irish Spring soap. I have to have that in my shower. I've been using that for years. I love that stuff. I don't even know. I always find it in the guys section and not the girls section, so I'm assuming. And I like the Irish Spring bar soaps too, so I like to keep that. But it was gonna messy and I didn't want to bring it out here. But the Olay Age Defying with Vitamin E body wash. I have been using this for years. My skin is, I'm gonna give myself some credit. I have very, very soft skin. I think I inherited it from my mom. She has like baby butt soft skin. And I really do believe when I use this product, my skin feels extra soft. I mean, I get a lot of compliments from my significant other on how much he loves how soft my skin is, and I use this Age Defying Olay skin body wash, and I really, really like this. I kind of steered away from it for a while and I went back to it and I was like, I forgot how much I love this stuff. And again, with vitamin E, I just did a skincare video on Santeva products. All of those products just really, really help your skin. And I do carry the Santeva bar soap in my shower to really get that deep clean after I take off my makeup. So to cleanse, I usually only use Aveeno Ultra Calming Foamy Wash, and this is the only one I can use as far as cleansers. The only one that does not affect my skin. So I always have this in my shower, and now I actually go in with an extra clean with this charcoal bar soap. But this is like my go-to must-have, my Aveeno. I can't live without that product. I have been using, again, I've been using most of these products for years. They're tried and true for me. And then if I really want that really good scrub, especially if I'm gonna do a self-tanner, I like this Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub in Coconut Lime. I love this product. It is so good. This product is really, really, really good. Here, let me give you that front part. I love how good my skin feels. It just feels so clean afterwards. Again, I don't use this every day. It's probably like a once a week treatment for me. But I do use the Irish Spring once a day. So let me give a up close version of that as well. But yeah, I really like those as far as my body washes, and of course my loofahs. I love the Bath & Body Works loofahs. I'm a huge Bath & Body Works girl. I just love their stuff. But their loofahs are the best, and they hold up the best to me. You can get the cheaper ones at like Walmart and anywhere else, dollar store, but they're not gonna hold up like the Bath & Body Works ones. And there's something about them. They're just so soft, and I just love them. Luxurious, I should say. And the only razor I use is Venus. I've tried other companies, and I just can't seem to like another razor. I just love Venus razors. I like this aluminum one now. It's really strong. It feels like almost like a man's shaver and a razor, and I really like this one. It doesn't, because a lot of them again affect my skin, and it just, you know, when you're shaving everywhere, you just want to make sure that you're not going to get a lot of razor burns and stuff like that. And I never have problems with a clean, fresh Venus razor, especially the sensitive skin ones, and I really like this one. I don't really like the travel ones. For some reason, the travel ones always give me razor burns, and bumps and all that stuff. So I have to travel with this one. It's such a good razor. And then I do carry some baby shampoo in my shower because I like to wash my makeup brushes in the shower. And this is just the cheap one from Walmart, because honestly, like, to me, all the baby shampoos work the same when it comes to washing my makeup brushes, but you can get quite a bit for half the price of Johnson & Johnson, even though I do like Johnson & Johnson. But I love to wash my makeup brushes and my sponges and everything with baby wash. I just feel like it's very gentle and it cleans my brushes so nice. I've been doing that for many, many years, and this is a good one. I do like, for some reason, I don't know what it is, but the Walmart generic brands of stuff, my skin does better with than the Target brand ones. So I don't know if there's just different ingredients they do or what it is, but like, I wanted to buy the Simple wipes, and sometimes I just want to say, because I buy like 2 of them, so I'm like, I'll buy the Simple wipes for my face, and then I'll buy the generic version of Simple wipes for my eyes and stuff like that, just because I go through so many makeup wipes because I film a lot. And for some reason, the Walmart one I do pretty good with, but the Target one completely broke me out. So I don't know what the difference is. Well, that's all the products that are in my shower. That's a short video for me. But I just kind of wanted to share with you guys. Sometimes people want to know, like, what do you use in the shower? What body washes do you use? What face soaps do you use? What shampoo do you like? And I thought, let's just include it. Let's just take a shower with me, and so to speak. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like this or anything else, you have any other suggestions, please comment below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, set your notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys, bye!